How to fix HiTV download problem. So you are trying to download HiTV from your Play Store or from your App Store, and if you search for HiTV and you can see you don't have this application. Before you were used to have this application, but right now you don't have this application. And even if you try to download it from the web using APK, you cannot use this application. Even if you download using this APK, you cannot use this because it says not available in the country. So that's because if you are from India, and then I'm sorry to say that this application has been removed from the Play Store or the App Store. You won't be able to find this application if you are from India, and if you don't find it on your device, then basically in your region it doesn't support. So even if you are from a different country, if this application doesn't pop up on your Play Store or App Store, that means your country is not, you don't support this in your country. So what's the solution? So even if you try using VPN, then it will be so laggy, then it spoils the fun, it spoils the entertainment. Okay, you can use VPN, but it's not fun. It will be too laggy for, it will be too laggy. So what's the solution? The solution will be finding an alternative application, which will be this application. As you can see, this is similar to HiTV. I think it will get the job done. Okay, so if you try to install HiTV on your device, then it won't be happening because it has been removed. But this is the alternative. This is Wiki Asian Drama and Movies. This is the alternative. You can use this as an alternative for HiTV. So yeah, this is what it is. I'm sorry to say if I have disappointed, but it is what it is. I can't hide the truth. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day.